What's up, guys? Welcome back to Grow Family Projects. Well, today is going to be the day we take this bush hog sitting right here up to my cousin where it belongs. Scott's over here. We're going to load it on with the skid steer onto my trailer sitting over here. So, all right, you ready to get this started? Hey, we need to unhitch it from the tractor. Uh-oh. What? I guess I bent that.
Pull back on that.
Yeah, we did. We bent this jack. I must have hit something. I don't know what.
Hold on. Hold on. Come in here. Whoa. I don't like the pop.
That clear? We need a wrench for the pin.
There's a couple cross wrenches in here.
Go ahead and pop the hoses off.
Boy, that made it lift way up.
It did.
Here's one. We need to make it that.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Huh. Lost grease fitting.
These are locks.
Yeah.
See how easy it is to pull those off?
I wish they was all like that. Good.
Yeah, that was good. There's no way to do a center point, so we're gonna have to go off here and here to both those sides. You got both of them with you?
All right, yeah, I'll grab the other one. This one's in the back of the truck. Can I hook?
Yeah, you should be able to hook right like
like
that.
Huh?
Should be able
Yeah,
to
just like that. And I'm going to put this.
Hey, that upright, will it hook on it? Not that one.
Right here?
No.
Here?
Yes.
No.
I don't like having the cables bent like that. Being up on top like that, I don't know how well that's. I just don't want to slide down. But it needs to be up
I know.
top. I mean, I could tilt this back forward.
Yeah, let me get the other one and do the same thing.
It just looks too heavy like this.
we go, guys. We got her loaded. Let's see if we make it our 70-mile trip we got to go. Yeah, this is kind of scary stuff.
Kind of sketchy the way we're doing it.
Yeah, but we need the skid steer there to be able to unload it because Nathan doesn't have a loader. I said, hold on, shut it off.
Roll them backwards.
All right.
It's bouncing backwards.
Well, it's got it, and to keep that chain from going down, I hooked it up on top right there. You got it?
Yeah, I think if we do that, it'll keep that light from getting. Oh. Man, I could hold the prop. Hey, I don't know if I can get it out or not. What? Grease? Nope. That pretty much sealed that.
That whole thing's tight.
Now we got to do the back.
See how it turns out.
Good thing this is.
Yeah, I'm glad I got solid fenders on this thing. This is a good little trailer. Well, I cut myself pretty good on my arm.
Can you go underneath the center of the trailer? Boy, I about slid off that. That would have sucked. That didn't go very far. Ow. Okay. You could probably get another bite, but we probably don't need another bite, huh? I was gonna say, you put it up when we're not done. Don't want it to slip off.
And like that?
Yep. You didn't have it shoved on far enough. And I wasn't going to have my hand there holding it while you're trying to shove it on. Needs to shove on a little farther or it's going to do the same thing. Both are one, because that's pretty much the chain we got.
I was going to do both.
Oh, we got this chain here too.
Yeah.
I think the big hook will hook on them. Chad, there's a big hook on the other side.
Or hook on this thing? Yeah, it will.
So you just hook it on it and you shove that forward. So what are you doing here?
And no, I don't like that. I was actually wanting to V it in.
So Chad, put that one on that other side. Take that chain there off. Hook it, and have it hooked on one of them and that one hooked on one.
And this one.
Hooked on the other one.
And this one hooked here.
Yeah. And toss them both up front. Now where you wanting to go at up front?
Well, I ain't figured that out yet.
Here, come over here. Got the other one up by that other tire and up front?
Not kind of, sort of. Alright guys, we made it up here 70 miles. That thing was back heavy. It took us a long time to make the trip. Wanted to sway, a lot of 20-mile-an-hour driving. But we made it, so no problems. So let's get this thing unloaded and
Are the ramps in the right spot?
yes, I did that. There you go. Well, there you guys go. That was an adventure in itself. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoy our stupidity of running the whole load up here like that on my trailer. We made it. Got her unloaded. No problem. So anyway, we'll catch you on the next one.